Welcome to Festive Flavors. What is fast to cook and delicious to eat any time of the day? It's our very own indo-Chinese Veg Chow mein. You will get satisfaction with each string you slurp. Here is a video with easy to understand steps to a universally liked dish, Veg Chow mein. Stick around to view how to make this a healthy favorite of yours. Please watch the video till the end to view tips and tricks and health benefits and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your friends and family. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Show me your creation on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook with tag @Festive Flavors and #Festive Flavors. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Also, please request your choice of recipe in the comment section below. Let's look at the ingredients. Noodles 170 grams, onions sliced 1 cup, spring onions 1 cup, cabbage 1 cup, bell pepper half cup, green chilies 4 to 5. Garlic chopped 1 teaspoon, ginger 1 teaspoon, soy sauce 2 teaspoons, green chili sauce 1 tablespoon, tomato sauce 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, black pepper 1/4 teaspoon, chili oil 1 teaspoon, oil 2 tablespoons. Let's get started with the recipe. In a pan, boil 4 cups of water, add salt and let it come to a boil. Now add the noodles and boil as per the package directions. Strain the noodles and put it on a plate or in a bowl and mix chili oil or plain oil. Mix with the noodles. Now heat a wok or kadhai to high heat. This point forwards, everything needs to be stir fried at high heat and for a short period of time to get the crunchy and smoky flavor. Add oil, add chopped garlic and ginger. Now add onions, stir fry for a minute. Add cabbage, now add green chilies, fry for 2 minutes. Add bell peppers and other vegetables if you are using them. Stir fry everything for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Add black pepper, green chili sauce, tomato sauce, and noodles. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add spring onions. Mix again. Add soya sauce. Stir everything to mix well. Let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that all the flavors mix well. Delicious, lip-smacking veg chow mein is ready to be devoured and slurped with chili sauce and tomato ketchup. You can also serve it with Manchurian dishes or top it with scrambled eggs. Enjoy. Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making veg chow mein. Boil noodles according to the package directions. They should be 70% done. Take them out and mix some chili oil to the noodles so that they do not stick. Alternatively, you can just add plain cooking oil. A very important tip to make delicious noodles each time is to cook everything on high heat in a wok or kadhai, stirring continuously. Add vegetables of your choice like spring onions, broccoli, carrots, cabbage, green peas, green beans, bell peppers, or whichever are available. Vegetables need to be cooked on high heat for a short period of time till they are cooked but still crunchy to the bite. After adding and mixing everything with the noodles, cook for 2 to 3 minutes to let the flavors mingle. Now let's look how to make this a healthy version. Chow mein can be made healthy by cooking with lots of vegetables like spring onions, broccoli, carrots, cabbage, green beans, peas, mushrooms, bell peppers. Use cholesterol-free oil and use oil sparingly. Use a quality noodles. Use lean meats, chicken or eggs to bump up the protein factor. Let's look at the ingredients. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. And please click the like button below if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.